IST Elementary is a school like no other. As soon as you walk through the doors, you know that this is a school that places students at the centre of all decisions. From KG1 to grade 5, students learn to be open-minded, evaluating a range of strategies in order to find solutions. They become knowledgeable about who they are as a learner and how they can improve. And they do all of this within a learning community that truly cares about making our world a better place.
Elementary students learn through the conceptually driven, inquiry-based International Baccalaureate Primary Years program. The journey begins in the early years, where students are guided and encouraged to learn and develop foundational skills through play. As they continue their learning journey into the older grades, students are supported to take responsibility and ownership of their learning, inquiring into local and global issues of significance, whilst developing into knowledgeable, caring and principled young people.
We love working together. We love learning together.
We love acting together for our common future.
IST has a focus on the development of the whole child. Among our student body, we have students who have aspirations to be doctors, lawyers, engineers, as well as artists, athletes, musicians and astronauts. This is why we believe in providing a broad curriculum, taught by specialist teachers that are skilled at maximising student potential.
IST serves a diverse community by providing a co-curricular program that caters for students' interests and needs beyond the classroom.
Our students learn to become skilled users of technology. At IST, our students learn to use devices as tools to assist their learning. At IST, students have
one-to-one iPads from kindergarten to grade 5,
MacBooks and iMacs in each shared room.
We have smart boards in every classroom.
At IST, our teachers nurture each student's natural curiosity through the inquiry cycle. Students are encouraged to ask questions such as, what is it like? Why is it like that? How can it change? How does it work?
And of course, we create a school community and culture that is
inclusive,
kind,
vibrant,
challenging,
engaging,
and always welcoming.
Welcome to IST!